What's up, guys? Today we're making an R&B Jersey type beat, but this time we are not using free plugins. Or are we using Purity? I'm not gonna tell you how to get it for free. Not like there's some website called Get Into PC that can help you. No. We don't do that. The pirating is not good, guys. So don't pirate. And then we do the piano first impression, but this time I get rid of the octave. No. This is a mix of two preset. This one is octave bell, and then followed with the first impression piano. But I removed the piano component and the FMEP, and then we had 120 BPM G minor. What we need to do for making melodies, you need to set the bass line first. So if you don't know, just click in G minor and just type some chords in, just type of G minor, done, bro. And then a major chord here, bro. Same goes another major or minor chord. Just follow, and then if you get something good, it will sound good, guys. So, and this, I told you guys before, this is a diminished chord here. Add some tension to the at the end of the melody, and then we have some top line melodies to add some variations. And then this time I added a little more sounds to it, add some higher sounds to add some variations also. So let's hear it, guys. With the gas, what we added, I added a free chorus. That's it. And like a pair EQ to remove the bass. And then I add another layer. Purity. It can be free. 80s plug. And then add like a layer. I have removed all the low mids and keep the mids in. Alright, nothing special. And then we have the sub. You can get it from various free drum kits. Add a limiter to sidechain the kick a little bit. And then I added this like a not very hearable melody. You can barely hear it in the final mix. This is for the drum session. And then we added a kick. This is the typical Jersey kick pattern I taught you guys already. Bop, 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 bop. And there you go. Nothing added. Just make it mono. And then we'll have a snare and get the bop bop again. And then open hat. And then we add the hi-hat. It's like this. And then we get a clap. Bop. So let's hear the full melody without this is the full melody. And then we also added the this is the cymatics feeling lost inside vocal. It's free. If you download the demo pack, it's free, guys. And it's done. Now let's check out the drum beat. Here we go, guys. Add the mashing. And then now everything is covered except for the loops. Yeah, I told you guys before. This is the from Jersey drum kit. Just type in Reddit. Bang 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 bang, and then we get a bad squeaky noise. There you go, guys. This is the final beat. Best squeak. Best squeak.